Alright folks, this is what we'll be using today. The Cap Spray 9900 HVLP 5-stage turbine sprayer. And the goal here today is to see how much overspray we can minimize in spraying a door casing and a door. I would like to find a system for spraying a door casing and a door inside an occupied home, and I'd like to see how much control I can get with the HVLP sprayer. I'd like to minimize the overspray. Basically, I'd like to see, is one coat possible with no runs and no drips or anything? So that's it. So let's flash her up and get her going. What I've done is set up some roofing paper in strategic locations to see if we can catch any overspray. So there's the door that we'll be spraying, and I've placed some paper there and on the floor, and I've placed some paper on the other side, as you can see. I've masked the wall with 6-inch paper all around, and I've put some paper on the bed and hanging from the wall just to see how much overspray and dust is created. Okay. So here's the plan. I'm thinking, with the door closed, you should be able to spray the whole door and casing, the inside of it, as is. To minimize overspray, we can open the door just like that and spray the edge. So all of this should be done now. Moving on to the inside, we have this edge to deal with and this edge of the door. So if we sprayed it right now and sprayed the edge, that would be finished. And I also think we need to spray up here, because if you close the door just so, you will see that a little bit of that inside edge is covered. And then after that is sprayed with the door just like that to minimize overspray, you should be able to spray that entire door and casing as is, and you should be finished. You can see I've masked along the floor. And I'm going to be spraying primer. So let's see if we can do this.